Hey, it's Lori Neverman from Common Sense Home, and I wanted to share this simple tip for dealing with crystallized honey. We regularly buy honey in bulk, and as you can probably see here, that this has been sitting around a bit and it has crystallized, so it's rather hard to scoop out of the jar. Now, to deal with this, all that you need is a sealed container so you're not getting water in here by accident. And then on the stove here, I have a pan that has about 3 inches of water. And I'm going to take my mason jar of honey, and this is sealed so that it's not accidentally getting water in here. And again, I've got about 3 inches of water, and then I'm going to heat this on low. And this is my smallest burner on the stove. You can also use something like a simmer mat if you need to diffuse it more, because you don't want this to boil. You just want this a gentle heat, and you keep that on there on your back burner, heating low heat for a couple hours or however long it takes to decrystallize the honey. And you always want to keep that gentle. Remember, never boil. You don't want to cook your raw honey. And you want to keep it in a sealed container, preferably glass, so that you're not accidentally getting the humidity from the boiling water in, or the non-boiling water, the heated water, into the honey. So you don't want your water and your honey to mix. So that's all there is to that. I'm going to leave this here and check it every half hour or so until it's decrystallized to the point that I'm happy with it and ready to use it some more. Okay, let's take a look here. And it looks like we now have nice liquid honey. So I'm going to turn this off, and make sure when you grab this, use the hot pad, because it is plenty warm. I'm going to turn that off, wipe this down to make sure that it's not dripping all over the place, and then set that aside to cool. And that is that. We've got liquid honey, the crystals settled out. This took about an hour and a half, and I just kept that on really low heat on the back burner. And depending on how much honey you have in your jar will determine, and how crystallized it is will determine the time. Just keep an eye on it, and that's all there is to it.